15 per person, 13 inches, 15 per person on the sea bass, 5 bluefish. Handful of porgies around, but I don't think you're gonna have to worry about a limit on them. If you need a count, we'll try to get it counted for you if we got a couple minutes.